Hi everyone, this is Generalo. Today, I'll be showing you my output, the difference between physical hazard to chemical hazard, which, by way of watching and listening, you will understand it. Have fun! Physical hazards usually result from accidental contamination and or poor food handling practices. Avoid inclusion of physical hazards such as jewelry or false fingernails in food product by using proper personnel practices. Eliminate potential sources of physical hazard in processing and storage areas. Protective acrylic bulbs or lamp covers to prevent contamination by breakable glass. Here are some visible physical hazards in food. Cigarettes or matchsticks, stones, stems, seeds, hairs, bone fragments, feeders, jewelry, nails, bolts, nails, jute or strings, and buttons. How about chemical hazards? Chemical hazards has two different categories: man-made chemicals and natural occurring chemicals. Man-made chemicals. These are hazardous chemicals added to food items.
Called man-made because humans manufacture them in order to enhance the shelf life of food items, enhance its flavor, and to kill pests that are damaging important crops. Food additives used to enhance flavor and appearance. Food preservatives are used with the basic goal of keeping food fresh and limiting the growth of microbes. Pesticides, a substance used for destroying insects or other organisms harmful to cultivated plants or to animals. Natural occurring food chemicals. These are unprocessed chemicals that is found in nature, such as chemicals from plants, microorganisms, animals, the earth, and the sea. A chemical that is found in nature and extracted using a process that does not change its chemical composition. There are three common natural occurring food chemicals that are dangerous to humans once ingested. Among them are the following: food allergens, shellfish toxins, and mycotoxins. What about food allergens? Food allergens are typically naturally occurring proteins in foods or derivatives of them that cause abnormal immune responses. Among are the following allergic reactions: 1. Hives. 2. Swelling of the lips. 3. Swelling of the tongue. 4. Itchiness all over the body, including scalps and palms. Vomiting, diarrhea, and muscle cramps. These are the food that usually cause allergic reaction. Shellfish toxins. These are several shellfish toxins. Among them are the following. We have PSP, paralytic shellfish poisoning, DSP or diarrheic shellfish poisoning, DAP, domoic acid poisoning, and NASP, neurotoxic shellfish poisoning. The most common symptoms for the above poisoning are the following: numbness in the lips, tongue, and fingertips at the start, numbness in the arms, legs, and neck as the poisoning progresses, lack of motor coordination, and the difficulty in breathing and muscular paralysis during advanced stages of the poisoning. Dinoflagellates. These toxins comes from toxic algae, are microscopic, and are freely floating in the water. Certain types of shellfish are absorbed by them while they are in the water. Among the shellfish that are common sources of these toxins are the following: mussels, clams, oysters, and scallops. This is how dinoflagellates looks like. Now let's proceed to mycotoxins. These organisms are fungi, molds, yeast, and mushrooms. These organisms produces chemicals. The most common prevention from mycotoxins is keeping grain bins clean and storage at less than 14% moisture, use of dry feed ingredients that are oxygen-free, fermented or treated with mold growth inhibitors.